Hello people, so we are here like I said at the Krishnakant Park,
Yeah.
and I have these two little friends with me. We just made friends, and this will all come on the YouTube channel, you know. Auntie, I'll show you. YouTube, you all must have heard of it, no?
Yeah.
So, Auntie runs a channel. I've put more than 300 videos, you know, speaking, talking to the thing. So, like, if you can speak on anything, which is your favorite topic to speak? Um, if you can speak on my favorite festival, and you can speak on my favorite pet, or you know. So then on YouTube, Auntie has this channel, so I put it, you know. So
Okay, okay.
so that's what Auntie will show you. I have over 300 videos I've put. So I want to see it's they're playing. So I thought I'll record my son also playing. But you want to say something to the channel?
No.
Okay, you're feeling good because see, Auntie loves to. This is so beautiful, na, the park and all.
Yeah.
So I'll see that's what, and I show these little people my channel. So yeah, I'll immediately catch up with you folks. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.